Run in Gulf Shores is on trial this week.
Fox 10 News reporter Corey Pippen was inside the courtroom to hear today's testimony.
Nearly 2 years after the death of 53-year-old Michael Huft, trial is underway for the man authorities say killed him in a hit and run, Melvin Hutchison. Police say at the time he was hit, Huft was riding his recumbent bike down County Road 4. The heavily damaged bike and other items belonging to him were key pieces of evidence the state attorney's office presented to the jury today.
We've heard from the first responders that responded to the scene, and we expect the testimony to continue today to be those people that the investigators that collected the evidence from the scene.
Gulf Shores Detective Chris Lambert was one of the first people to arrive on scene. He verified the evidence shows Huft had been hit from behind while on the bike, and the driver responsible kept going. But Hutchison's attorney John Beck says he believes the evidence points in a different direction.
He knew he had hit something, he just had no idea what it was. He thought that it was probably an animal. A deer or something, or debris or a pothole, like any of us have done at night. He drops off his passenger, he comes back, he slows down to take a look, and there was a lot of traffic on the road at that time. He didn't see anything.
Huft's family watched as photos from the scene were admitted into evidence, one of which showing Huft's dog, which was also struck and killed that night. Well, neither Huft's nor Hutchison's family agreed to comment on camera today. Hutchison's wife Pepper did take the stand. She was answering questions regarding evidence of damage to her husband's truck. Pepper Hutchison told the court she wasn't aware of the damage before the night of the crash. Beck says his client's character is too strong to be responsible for such an act.
He is completely distraught that there was a loss of life in an accident in which he was involved, and that's very hard for anybody to deal with.
Is there any concern that he didn't stop right then?
He is not the kind of guy that is going to leave someone for dead. He is not that guy.
Reporting from Baldwin County, Corey Pippen, Fox 10 News.
Faces charges of leaving the scene of an accident involving injury or death and criminally negligent homicide.